every morning before sunrise.
Good morning. Let's have a safe production day. All departments ready? Start today's production.
Yes, sir!
Processing facilities comes alive. Hundreds of skilled employees arrive before production begins.
Morning.
Every person has a specific keeps the factory operating safely and efficiently.
Everyone report to your departments. ID verified.
Strict hygiene procedures are followed day to maintain food safety before anyone enters the manufacturing area.
Please sanitize your hands. Ready for production. Today's production schedule is confirmed.
Inspection teams are ready.
All machinery is fully operational. Let's begin.
Before production starts, every department confirms.
Fresh apples harvested from orchards arrive early every morning to preserve maximum freshness before processing begins.
Truck cleared. Fresh apples delivered.
Every shipment is carefully weighed and documented
Weight confirmed.
to ensure traceability.
Shipment complete.
Proceed to unloading.
Unload slowly.
Fresh apples are carefully unloaded to minimize damage.
Flow looks perfect.
Keep the conveyor moving.
Every batch is inspected to ensure
Remove damaged apples.
that only high-quality apples
Quality approved.
continue through the production process.
Excellent harvest today.
Fresh apples are temporarily stored
Storage temperature stable. Batch stored.
under carefully controlled temperatures to maintain their quality until processing begins.
Prepare the first production.
Production line running.
Speed is stable. Begin washing process.
With inspections complete, the apples begin their journey. Cleaning will transform them into premium juice. The first cleaning stage removes leaves, dust, and orchard debris before the apples enter the main washing system.
Air pressure normal. Remove every leaf before washing.
Everything looks clean.
Every apple is thoroughly washed using filtered water to ensure a clean surface before entering food production.
Water quality confirmed. Pump pressure stable. Continue washing.
A carefully controlled sanitizing rinse helps reduce surface microorganisms while maintaining the natural quality of every apple.
Sanitizer level approved. Flow is stable. Proceed to final rinse. Final rinse complete.
Water is crystal clear. A final freshwater rinse
Prepares the apples for the next important stage, quality sorting.
Send them to sorting. Scanner accuracy.
100%.
Advanced optical scanners inspect every apple individually. Only
Remove this bruised apple.
human expertise provides an additional inspection. Excellent quality.
Grading complete.
Apples are graded by size and weight to maintain consistent processing efficiency throughout the factory.
System operating perfectly.
Feed the crusher.
Crusher speed normal. The apples are crushed into a smooth mash. Motor temperature stable.
Transfer the mash.
Preparing the fruit for efficient juice extraction. The crushed apple mash is transferred.
Transfer complete.
Pressure normal.
It is kept under controlled conditions.
Begin juice extraction.
Under carefully controlled pressure, fresh apple juice is extracted from the mash, marking the beginning of its
Send
transformation
the juice to filtration.
into a finished beverage ready for purification. The first filtration stage removes larger fruit particles while preserving the apple's natural flavor and aroma.
Primary filters running perfectly.
Pressure is stable. Continue to fine filtration. Juice clarity confirmed. Fine filtration creates a clean, consistent juice,
Filtration complete. Proceed to pasteurization.
maintaining its natural taste and quality.
The juice passes through a carefully controlled heat treatment designed to maintain quality and extend shelf life while preserving its fresh taste.
Temperature holding steady.
Complete. Move to cooling.
Immediately after pasteurization, the apple juice enters a closed plate heat exchanger. Its temperature is rapidly reduced using chilled water flowing through separate channels. Before packaging begins, the juice is safely stored in food-grade tanks under carefully controlled conditions.
Tank number 3 is full. Levels confirmed.
Prepare quality testing.
Every production batch undergoes comprehensive laboratory testing before it is approved for filling and packaging.
Sample approved.
All quality standards passed. Authorized packaging. High-speed filling equipment accurately dispenses fresh apple juice into every bottle with remarkable consistency. Fill level perfect.
Nozzle pressure stable. Continue production.
Quality control is vital. Capping machines seal each bottle. AI inspection verifies every cap. Only approved bottles continue. Labeling and batch coding are applied, ensuring complete traceability. With production complete, the finished bottles move through fully automated packaging, robotic palletizing, warehouse storage, and carefully coordinated logistics. Every shipment is tracked from